Next, recursion. A function which calls itself is called as recursion. In recursion, we have two important cases. The first one is base case or the stopping condition. The second one is we have general case or recursive call for implementing the recursive concept. So what are the advantages and limitations of recursion? The advantages of recursion are reduce unnecessary calling of function. The next advantage is though recursion can solve problems in easy way while its iterative solution is very big and complex. Coming to the limitations of recursion, recursion solution is always logical and it is very difficult to trace. That is, to debug and understand, it is very difficult. In recursive function, we must have an if statement somewhere to force the function to return without the recursive call being executed. Otherwise, the function will never return. That is the reason why we have in the if part we have base case, that is stopping condition. The next limitation is recursion take a lot of stack space. Usually not considerable when the program is small and running on a PC. The next limitation is recursion uses more processing time. The next limitation is recursion takes more space for storing the values for every recursive call. So these are some of the advantages and limitations of recursion.